Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to buy Minecraft with Microsoft Store. Start by going to your Windows search bar. It is usually at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it and type Microsoft Store. When you see the Microsoft Store app in the results, click on it to open. Wait for the store to load. Once it opens, look at the top of the window. You will see a search bar. Click inside that search bar and type Minecraft, then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will see different results. Look for the option called Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock Edition for PC. This is the correct version that includes both editions of the game. Click on it to open the product page. On this page, you will see details about the game. Look for the Buy button. Click on the Buy button to continue. After that, a new window will appear asking for your payment method. Click on Add a Payment Method. Here you can choose how you want to pay. You can add a credit card, a debit card, or an e-wallet. If you have a gift card, you can also redeem it in this step. Enter your payment details carefully. Make sure all the information is correct. Once you are done, confirm the payment method. Now continue with the purchase by following the on-screen instructions. The store will guide you through the final steps. After the payment is completed, the game will be added to your account. You can then download and install it from your library. Thanks for watching.